So welcome to a new episode of Thoughts and Education. Today on Thoughts and Education, we have Dr. DJ Singh, who is Director, Vidya Jyoti University. Welcome to Thoughts and Education, sir.
Thank you for inviting me. It's a pleasure to be part of this today's show.
Yes, sir. So could you briefly introduce yourself and tell me something about yourself?
Okay, my name is Dr. DJ Singh. I am into education from last 23 years. Have been associated with Vidya Jyoti Education from last almost 18 years, and we are based out of Chandigarh. So Vidya Jyoti is a vocational higher education institution offering various qualifications in from diploma, bachelor's, master's to in the fields of hospitality, travel tourism, culinary arts, business management, animation, graphics, IT, and now we have introduced health sciences as well as some creative programs in fashion designing and beauty therapy.
That's great, sir. So you told me that you are here for 18 years. So you have held key position at this institute throughout your professional career. What are the key factors that keep you connected to the education sector?
So the inspiration comes from the students. So every year we get fresh blood, fresh energy, fresh students coming with their own thoughts and aspirations, targets. They want to achieve something. So they motivate us also, and we try to give them the same response what they are expecting from this. So education is ever evolving. You feel contributing to the society. You feel that you are giving beyond yourself, and you're creating somebody's difference in somebody's life. So that is the very big motivating factor for me to stick to the education industry, and particularly with this institution, which is very vibrant, very dynamic, very open for new ideas and concepts.
That's great, sir. Nextly, I would like to ask you, what is your philosophy on leadership, and how would you describe your leadership style?
I feel once as a leader, you should empower others. So education is also empowering others. So being education and being into the leadership, I feel this is one of the things which I feel more. So I try to give the responsibilities to my team members, my colleagues, as well as to the students, so that they can project themselves rather than just taking from one senior person. So empowering the students, empowering the faculty is my thought, and that is, you can say, is also a leadership style.
Yeah, that is a great insight, sir. Nextly, I would like to ask you, the education systems in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying here at your institute?
See, right from the beginning, our motto has been to give the international education perspective or industry-ready perspective to the students. So from the beginning on, also itself, our institution has been promoting more industry interactions. So right from the student joins in our institution, we invite guest lectures, we bring the industry leaders from their respective fields, where like if a student is from the fashion industry, so celebrity fashion designers are invited, so they interact with the students, and in every year we are helping the students to go for internships. We start from their CV development. We start their interview skills preparation right from the day one. So students are more trained and developed towards the industry perspective. So that is what Vidya Jyoti has been doing right from the beginning. Making students and new generation ready for employment, which is their basic need.
That is great, sir. Nextly, I would like to ask you, any insights into how your institute could be more welcoming to students of different races or economic backgrounds?
We are a very much social active institution, so we help students from various backgrounds to give them the best economic development. So we are working with the government of India, and we are promoting post-matric scholarship schemes, which is sponsored by government. So 100% scholarship is given to the students by the government, for which we are a very big facilitator. In almost last, you can say 7-8 years under when this scheme has started, we have almost trained more than 5,000 students, have qualified and have taken the benefit of these schemes. So students from multiple diversity come to our institution. Vidya Jyoti University means education with diversity. So different type of programs are there, different kind of students are coming from different states, different multi-language. So in Vidya Jyoti, we have almost 25 students from 25 states and almost 7-8 countries already studying with us. So that brings a lot of diversity, a lot of social background, different student, cultural different student, and all amalgamating together to a very beautiful bouquet which the Vidya Jyoti is today.
That is great, sir. Nextly, I would like to ask you, what do you think your roles and responsibilities to the university and to the students are?
So as I told you, as a leader, as a director of the institution, my first thought is to empower the students. And also to provide them the best facilities, best trainers. So whatever infrastructure we have created in Vidya Jyoti is a very boutique kind of an infrastructure. The student-teacher ratio is 1:25. 99% I can say the teachers which we have, the faculty which we have, they are all expats. They have studied abroad or they have worked abroad, or apart from that they come from the industry. So every 3 to 4 years we have a people coming from the industry and working with us. Every year the old faculty which we have, they go for the exchange program in the industry. So that is how we are creating a different kind of an educational environment and providing the latest and best education to the students.
Yeah, I would agree to that, sir. Nextly, I would like to ask you, what is your vision for the university? Has it evolved over time, and how far along in implementing the vision are you?
So right from the beginning, we always wanted to provide the best education and with the international perspective, because many of our students these days are going abroad for further education or work employment. So Vidya Jyoti has right from the beginning collaborated with international institutions. We started the first time American Hotel Lodging in India. We brought City and Guilds London Institute in India. So in providing international latest updated education has been my first and priority, and with that whatever resources were needed, we have developed that within our organization. Recently we have tied up with Pearson, which is world #1 organization, and we are now helping students to get international qualifications right here in India, and then they can move ahead for further education or for career options, work employment in multiple countries. So we are taking Vidya Jyoti now to a global platform. So I'm hopeful with a lot of grace, next 2 to 3 years, students and institution management and all the faculties will work hard and take it to a next step.
That is great, sir. Nextly, I would like to ask you, what do you see as your institute's greatest strengths?
So, as a Vidya Jyoti, if I tell you the greatest strength is that's a very boutique, personalized institution. We don't take more than 30 students in one class. It's a one-to-one counsel education. There's a mentorship program. The institution is very much disciplined. So every student comes in a proper formal grooming so that they know the culture once they pass out their organization. So it's not that you come in casual jeans and when you leave the college you suddenly have to start with the corporate and you have to wear the tie and you don't know how to wear the tie. So we don't do in that way. So proper discipline, communication skills, personality development and overall quality enhancement activities are regularly done in the institution, which takes it to the different level.
That's great, sir. Nextly, I would like to ask you, how does the curriculum of our institute ensure the best practice of the industry?
As I told you earlier also, we collaborate with international institutions, we collaborate with industry. The faculty is all coming from the industry with their experiences. Every year students has to go for the industrial training. We make it mandatory for the students, whether it is a summer training or they have a semester training. So Vidya Jyoti is also the first institution in the region who has taken BWork programs. So under these programs, the student have to go for 6 months internship every year. So we have a very strong training and placement office which helps students right from the beginning to gain the industry exposure. And the moment student is passing out of the college, they are graduating, they are not freshers, they already have 2 to 3 industry exposures with them which help them get our best job options.
Okay, that's great, sir. Lastly, I would like to ask you, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
My suggestion to all the new young generation is to be little patient and be open to the ideas and listening. So most of the people which students I meet is they have a lot of energy, they are very passionate towards learning, but then in that process they sometimes do not listen or do not focus on the instructions given to them by their seniors. So youth has to be a little more focused, more careful about the instructions seniors are giving to them, and side by side they should be not believing on any kind of YouTube or Google chat. They should listen, they should evaluate, then they should take a call. They should not simply believe whatever is being said is all right. There are a lot of misleading things happening in the world. So please listen, please verify, and then take your call on that.
That is very inspiring, sir. That's all from my side. Thank you for being part of this interview.
Thank you so much.